Now this is a 4-roll of painter's tape that we just got here. Wanted to share this with you and give you an example of when you might need painter's tape. You can see right here, yesterday we were working on painting our fireplace a darker shade. It was white, now we're painting it darker, and you can see most of this work has been done here, but up against the wall right here, you can see this area right here needs to be trimmed. Okay, so you're going to need a trim brush. All right, that's one thing, but you're also going to need most likely some painter's tape. Now if you feel like you have a steady hand, obviously you could trim down the edge here of your fireplace, trying to keep the paint, the dark paint, off of the gray colored sheetrock here on the wall. But to get a straight line and to not have to worry about that you messed up, or to get a nice clean straight line, many people prefer to use painter's tape. Now painter's tape usually comes in blue like this, not always, but most of the time you'll see it in blue. And what you'll do, you'll run the painter's tape down the wall here tightly up in this crack right here where the sheetrock meets the fireplace or whatever you're painting. Maybe it's a baseboard in your house would be another example when people might use it. But so basically painter's tape down the wall here, and then you come back with your trim brush, and if you mess up and get some on the painter's tape, you don't have to worry about it. All you do is pull the painter's tape off after everything's dried, wait till it's dried, and when you pull the painter's tape off, the painter's tape is not super adhesive on the back to where it's going to pull up any of the paint or the sheetrock coating on the painted wall here. Okay, so painter's tape is what you need. We got this 4-pack yesterday for our project. Maybe this will work for you at your home with your project.